Hello everyone! Experiencing the pain and discomfort of a headache is incredibly common. Some of the common types of headaches are headaches caused by digestive problems, in which headaches are accompanied by stomach, kidney, intestinal, and gallbladder ailments. Sometimes it is linked with overindulgence of alcohol, food sensitives, and food additives. Stress headaches. In this, the pain runs from the neck to the top of the skull. Tension headaches. These muscle contraction headaches cause mild to moderate pain from the neck to the forehead. Sinus headaches. Inflammation of the lining of one of the 8 sinus cavities can cause a deep, dull, chronic ache around the eyes, nose, and head. Anxiety headaches. In this, the pain crosses the forehead. Cluster headache. It is a burning or stabbing pain around the eye and the temple. And migraines. Migraine can be a debilitating chronic health condition. While throbbing head pain is a common symptom of migraine attacks, it's not the only one. Migraine episodes can also involve nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, blurry vision, sensitivity to light, sensitivity to sound, and sensitivity to strong smell. Traditional treatment for migraine includes lifestyle changes to avoid triggers, pain relieving medications, and preventive treatments such as antidepressants and anticonvulsants. When a migraine attack hits, all you want is to feel better as soon as possible. Natural approaches like pressure points for headaches can help relieve symptoms while you wait for your medicines to kick in. Acupressure is a cost-free, natural tool to add to your migraine toolkit. You can practice acupressure for migraine at home to relieve some of the pain, tightness, and abdominal issues that come with an attack. Pressure points are parts of the body believed to be extra sensitive, able to stimulate relief in the body. Practitioners of reflexology, a discipline of Chinese medicine, believe that touching pressure points in a certain way can improve your health, ease your pain, restore the balance in your body. Reflexology is the study of how one part of the human body is connected to the other. This means you might have to massage a different location, like your hand, to treat a different area, like your head. You will reach for the right pressure points to ease your pain. If you want to learn more about treating your headache or migraine this way, it's important to understand how to do so correctly. Learning acupressure for headaches at home is simple. First, find a quiet place where you can relax, either sitting or lying down. Locate the pressure point you are targeting. Use your knuckle, fingertip, or a soft pointed object like a pencil eraser to apply deep probing pressure to each pressure point. Apply pressure for 15 to 30 seconds. When applying pressure, try to relax and breathe deeply as you massage the area. Repeat using the same point on the other side of your body. You should feel immediate relief. Sometimes a pressure point will feel different on the opposite sides of the body. The following headache relief pressure points are especially useful. The following pressure points for headaches, migraine, and nausea bring relief, not side effects. The Union Valley point. This point is located on the web between your thumb and the index finger. Start by pinching this area with the thumb and index finger of your opposite hand firmly, but not painfully. Do this for 10 seconds. Next, make small circles with your thumb on this area in one direction and then the other. Do this for 10 seconds each. Repeat this process on the Union Valley point on your opposite hand. This type of pressure point treatment is believed to relieve tension in the head and neck. Tension is often associated with headaches. The next point is drilling bamboo point. This point is located at the indentations on either side of the spot where the bridge of your nose meets the ridge of your eyebrows. To use these pressure points to treat headaches, use both of your index fingers to apply firm pressure to both points at once. Hold for 10 seconds. Release and repeat. Touching these pressure points can relieve headaches that are caused by eye strain and sinus pain or pressure. The next point is the gates of consciousness. This pressure point is located at the base of the skull in the parallel hollow areas between the two vertical neck muscles. To use this pressure point, place your index and middle finger of either hand onto these pressure points. Press firmly upward on both sides at once for 10 seconds. Then release and repeat. Applying firm touch to these pressure points can help relieve headaches caused by tension in the neck. The next point is the third eye point. It can be found between your two eyebrows where the bridge of your nose meets your forehead. Use the index finger of one hand to apply firm pressure to this area for 1 minute. Firm pressure applied to the third eye pressure point is thought to relieve eye strain and sinus pressure that often cause headaches. Now the next point is the shoulder well. It is located at the edge of your shoulder, halfway between your shoulder point and the base of your neck. To use this pressure point, use the thumb of one hand to apply firm circular pressure to this point for 1 minute. Then switch and repeat on the opposite side. Applying firm touch to the shoulder well pressure point can help relieve stiffness in your neck and shoulders, relieving neck pain and preventing headaches caused by this kind of sensation. The next point is LU7. Clasp your hands together, touching your upper wrist with your forefinger. The point is found on a line with the thumb in a small depression. Remembering the position of the point, unclasp your hands and apply firm pressure. Do this for 1 minute. Repeat the same on the opposite hand as well. The next point is on the nostril. Pinch the nostril on the side opposite the septum. This is good for severe headaches. The next point is on the back of the jaw bone just below the ear. Locate this point and apply firm pressure for 10 seconds. Do this on the opposite side as well. The next point is SP6. This point is located on a foot, one palm width above the tip of the inner ankle bone on the back of the shin bone. This foot pressure point for migraine is often used in combination with acupoint ST36. ST36 is one palm width below the bottom edge of the kneecap on the outside in a depression between the shin bone and the leg muscle. It is effective for most problems from the waist down, especially when used with acupoint SP6. The next point is on the tip of your thumb. Press the tip of your thumb against each other, applying firm pressure for a few seconds. Then release. Repeat this for at least 10 times. So these were some of the acupressure points which are very beneficial in different types of headaches, especially migraines. You can stimulate any of the acupressure points which you are comfortable with. Remember to practice Breathsoul Breathing while stimulating the acupressure points of your body. Practicing Breathsoul Breathing helps to oxygenate the cells of our body, which in turn relaxes our mind and body and also promotes healing. That's all in this video. Wish you a healthy life forever. Thank you for watching.